Hey everybody, just wanted to take a second here today and share why we use dump trailers on most of our job sites. So if you see us on a job site doing a roof or siding, you're probably going to see one of our dump trailers sitting there. And the couple reasons why we use them are roll-off dumpsters. If you think about the big steel container rolling off in your driveway or in your yard, sometimes they scuff up the asphalt or the concrete. We like to keep that from happening. And it's also another company that's involved. Quick shout out to my brother who owns Plain Dumpsters here in Martin. If you need a dumpster in West Michigan, definitely the people to talk to. But for our process, we like to try to keep everything under one roof when we can. So most of the time we're using a dump trailer. Helps us keep control of everything that's happening on the job site when we're doing your roof or your siding, and also make sure that we don't have any incidental things happening with the driveway or with your yard. So just wanted to share that today, and thanks for watching.